Right now, we are watching these plants in jubilant ecstasy. They are beyond excited. You know what beyond means? Beyond. Last night I came home and this cabbage was wilted. The Swiss chard was wilted. The basil were wilting, and I made the decision to water them. And I woke up this morning and I see them alive with vibrance. And they are getting their bed ready. This is going to be their new home. I'll put some banana peels in there, and then I'll cover some dirt, put some fertilizer in there, and maybe put some hay on top or straw. And they'll be in jubilant ecstasy. They found a home, and I got, I don't know, 48, about 50 plants. Woke up this morning, did my writing, and these are the carrots. Whoa, how exciting is that? These are the carrots, and I got some, out front we got some kale, I don't know, we're gonna have some lettuce back there. This is a story, this is what life's about. People don't know what life's about. Life's about making plants happy. Make yourself happy, make plants happy. Plants is our water. They're designed for water and fertilizer. We are designed for fruit, and more fruit with mostly water. Anyway, live and bye. I gotta do some more